Hi, my name is Tislarm Bouie with Dance Teacher Web, and today we'll be showing you guys the hip hop slide with my assistant, Kendall. So when starting this, you want to start off with your knees parallel, and then you want to shift your weight to the left leg so that you can shoot out the right leg. So we're going to try it. 5, 6, 7, and out. So from here, then you want to try it on the other leg. You put all your weight into the right leg. Swing it out. So Kendall's starting the parallel position, and then we're going to start with shooting out the right leg. 5, 6, 7, and so when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you use your arms so that it can carry your weight so you have momentum to travel to the other side. Good. Well, Kendall's doing it, but this is also a good step for males, and it's good for strengthening your quads. And it's also good for teaching young children in young hip-hop classes so they can learn how to travel across the floor and using their legs. And then also can start their leg movements to start other type of movements within the same perimeter. Once again, my name is Tislarm Bouie, and thank you for tuning in to Dance Teacher Web.